pink buttery decorator icing. How did we get here? Let's walk through it together. This dude bakes. First, take your shortening and your softened butter, put them in the mixer, and beat them until they're light and fluffy. Next, add your vanilla and your salt. Turn your mixer on low speed. And at this point, you want to gradually add in your 3 cups of powdered sugar. Put it in kind of slowly just to make sure you don't kick up the powdered sugar and make a mess. Next, add your milk and then gradually increase the speed. And it should only take a few seconds to beat the milk into the icing. Then stop your mixer, and then I'm going to add the Wilton Super Red No Taste. Put a little bit in there, and then turn on the mixer to make sure the icing turns a nice pink color. And that's it for the icing. Very simple. See, the icing is very pliable, very soft, easy to spread. And what I'm going to do is use this icing in a crisp sugar cookie recipe, heart shape, which I'm going to make a video on and release on this same date that I put this video out. There you have it, folks. Thank you for watching This Dude Bakes, and hope to see you again soon.